Karibu sana, welcome to Modern Agriculture's YouTube channel. Today, we have an in-depth and comprehensive video on quail farming business plan in Kenya. If you're considering starting a quail farm or want to explore the lucrative opportunities in quail farming, this video is tailor-made for you. So, let's dive into the exciting world of quail farming. Quail farming is gaining popularity in Kenya due to its numerous benefits and relatively low investment requirements. Quails are small birds that are easy to raise, require minimal space, and have high reproductive rates. Let's explore the essential elements of a successful quail farming business plan. Understanding the quail market. Before venturing into quail farming, it's crucial to conduct market research to understand the demand for quail products in Kenya. Quail eggs and meat are highly valued for their nutritional benefits and medicinal properties. Identify potential buyers, such as restaurants, hotels, and health-conscious consumers. Site selection and housing. Choose a suitable location for your quail farm. A well-ventilated and shaded area is ideal for quails. Construct simple and cost-effective housing with wire mesh to ensure proper ventilation and protection from predators. The housing should have separate sections for breeding, hatching, and growing quails. Procuring quail chicks. The first step in your quail farming journey is to acquire quail chicks. Purchase the old quail chicks from reputable hatcheries or certified suppliers. The cost of quail chicks may vary, but it is advisable to start with at least 500 chicks to build a sizable flock. Feed and nutrition. Proper nutrition is crucial for the healthy growth and productivity of quails. Provide a balanced diet that includes a mix of commercial quail feed, grains, and essential supplements. Quails are voracious eaters and require approximately 20 grams of feed per day. Breeding and reproduction. Quails are prolific breeders, and females start laying eggs at around 6 to 7 weeks of age. To ensure optimal reproduction, maintain a suitable male-to-female ratio of 1:4. Collect quail eggs daily and store them in a clean and cool environment before incubation. Incubation and hatching. You can either allow quails to hatch their eggs naturally or use incubators for artificial hatching. Incubation takes approximately 17 to 18 days. After hatching, ensure proper care for the quail chicks until they are ready to be transferred to the growing section. Managing health and hygiene. Regularly monitor the health of your quails and take preventive measures to avoid diseases. Maintain proper hygiene in the quail housing and regularly clean and disinfect the area to prevent infections. Cost and investment. Let's discuss the financial aspect of quail farming. The initial investment will include the cost of quail chicks, feed, housing, equipment, and labor. Calculate the total investment and develop a budget to manage expenses efficiently. Income and revenue projection. Quail farming can be highly profitable, with multiple revenue streams from quail eggs, meat, and byproducts. Based on market demand and your quail production capacity, project your income for each product category. Challenges and mitigation strategies. Like any agricultural venture, quail farming may face challenges such as diseases, market fluctuations, and management issues. Develop strategies to mitigate risks and ensure the sustainability of your quail farm. Government support and incentives. The Kenyan government supports agricultural activities, including quail farming. Explore possible subsidies, grants, and support programs available for small-scale farmers in the quail industry. In our upcoming videos, we will cover all the subsidies provided by Kenyan government. So subscribe and hit the bell icon. In conclusion, quail farming in Kenya offers a promising business opportunity with the potential for high returns. With proper planning, management, and dedication, your quail farm can flourish and contribute to Kenya's agricultural growth. We hope this video has provided you with valuable insights into quail farming business plan in Kenya. If you found this information helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and share it with aspiring farmers and agriculture enthusiasts. For more insightful content on modern agriculture and farming practices, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Asante sana for joining us today.